I am a phone.
I'm a pizza.
I'm a doorbell.
We can find a way out of here. Hang on, here's a map as well.
You seem brave.
Well, you know, one does what one can in these circumstances.
How many times have you jumped?
I've jumped loads, but never this high up to escape a burning building.
Praise, keep the proximity of death.
My laptop was shaking a lot and I pretty much had tears streaming down my face.
The guy in the top hat is having an affair with the lady with the chain.
They're getting involved in the beef down in the queue, aren't they? That's what I
The best thing about today is actually seeing all of you in a very different environment, in a very different light, and coming up your shell and having that confidence just to have a go and get involved.
Did you hear about the float that went down the road, the circus float?
I did hear about that circus float that went down the road, and that particular float had about 15 cats wailing and playing guitars on it. It was amazing.
Red Bull.
Red Bull, Ed Red Bull.
Red Bull.
It's only a small elephant, so I think that sandwich and quiche that you brought might give them a few more hours.
That's a great idea, Susan.
In the
Morning, the door was covered in
My vomits.
The best thing was seeing the progression from you starting just throwing a ball to the end where people are creating full scenes and like little stories.
There's always that fear when you're with people that you're going to make yourself look like an idiot and then never sleep again. But actually I love the inclusiveness that it feels like if you get it wrong, you get it wrong, but let's go for it.
Motorways are made of tarmac or trifle.
Trifle.
Correct.
I really enjoyed the session. I was quite nervous because when I was a lot younger, we did an improv session in my school drama class, and it was horrible. I hated it so much. This was great.
It's just nice being with everyone, not in a meeting, seeing each other's faces, not talking about work.
So what type of bird do you have then?
Ostrich. Ostrich. I reared it myself, hand reared.
My wife just texted me from downstairs saying, "What on earth are you doing up there? It sounds great fun."